In order to develop fast reading habits amongst second language learners, we need to understand the nature of fluency development activities. The activities which we can bring in the classroom as being second language teachers, the activities which can help develop students' understanding of the overall text. So let's have a look at some of the activities which Nation suggests are useful in order to develop fast reading habits amongst our students. The first one is the repeated reading. In this one, students, of course, they choose the texts themselves, and the texts are not that long. Rather, they are 500 to 600 words longer or 700 words longer, which usually takes 7 minutes to read. So they actually repeatedly read that particular text. That's one of the activities. And the second activity is learner can read the text, which is 50 to 300 words long, and this text should be read aloud, because reading aloud can help students reflect on what they are reading actually, because this can involve some of the mental processes. And the teacher listens. When the students read aloud, the teacher listens, and then this particular text can be reread within a day or a week. And after a day or week, students read the similar text. They repeat it and they read it aloud, and the teacher listens. And in this regard, it's important to choose that particular sort of text which is above the student's level, so their current level of understanding. So there are some conditions which need to be fulfilled while developing speed reading. So most words, running words, should easily be recognized by the students. Running words, the words they are familiar with. And we can bring in some texts which are in the form of plays, jokes, or short stories, or fiction, or poetry. So the main emphasis of these sort of different genres of texts is on the message, not the form, the grammatical constructions. And it's important while designing activities that the material should be easy, shouldn't be beyond the comprehension level of the students. And the students should feel pressurized to read at faster speed as compared to their normal speed. This is what they develop. This is the stage that can help develop extensive reading. And the practice should be done in numerous ways. For example, a lot of reading practice could be given to the students. They could be encouraged to have practice of numerous texts. The text could be changed after 2 weeks. Once the students have become familiar with one particular sort of text, they could be exposed to another sort of text in the next week. So this is how, in order to develop fluency, it's important to make our students understand what's the purpose of speed reading and what's the main focus. And it's important to make them realize that the main focus is on understanding the message of the text, not the form of the text.